Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the current support and resistance levels for today. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is December 15th. At 6 AM we have high impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. At 2 PM we have high impact news Swiss franc related currency pairs. And at 5:30 PM we have high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. And at 6:45 PM we have high impact news planned for euro related currency pairs, followed by which at 7 PM we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So today we have lots of high impact news planned for most of the major currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in gold, US dollar currency pairs also. So requesting you to plan your trades accordingly. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and we have noticed in the past that after testing the support level of 1616, the market has bounced back from this support level on the bullish side retracement, and it is in a continuous bullish trend. And previously I had informed that 1810 was going to be the very strong resistance, because in the past we have noticed a price action to trend down on the bearish side retracement from this resistance level. But currently we have noticed a price action to break this resistance level and to make a shadow above this resistance level of 1810. But looking at the shadows it has formed, we can understand that the market wants to continue its current trend. So let me draw a channel pattern to understand the current trend of the price action. I am again connecting the highs of the past price action with the lows. So with this channel pattern, it is very clear that the current trend is still on a bullish trend. Now the price action has tested the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. But still, as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, it will be a bullish trend in daily time frame. So for now, this bounce back is only a retracement. It is not a trend reversal in daily time frame. And the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. And currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the resistance level of 1810, and if the bearish side retracement continues, we can expect it to take support around the support level of 1764. And only when the price action breaks the support level of 1764, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in daily time frame, and the next level of support is going to be around 1707. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1810, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in daily time frame, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1856 and 1922. And the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now, and we know from the daily time frame that the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is on a bullish trend, trading within this bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. So I am going to draw a trend line or a support line to understand the current trend of the price action for the 4 hours time frame. Again I am connecting the lows of the past price actions, and based on this price action, it is very clear that the current trend is on a bullish trend. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line from 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 4 hours time frame. And if the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to retrace up to the support line from the bullish channel pattern of the daily time frame. And only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to take support on the support level of 1765, and once the price action breaks the previous low or the support level of 1765, it will be the bearish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame also. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and as we know from the 4 hours time frame, the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame and in the hourly time frame is on a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this support line or trend line from the 4 hours time frame. And if you want to freshly enter into the bullish side trade, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break the previous high, based on which you can freshly enter into the bullish side retracement trade, because the overall trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend for now in hourly time frame also. Or to make the entry much easier, I would recommend you to draw a resistance line connecting these highs of the past price action, and once the price action breaks this resistance line, you can freshly enter on the bullish side trade. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish side retracement to continue in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1805 and resistance level of 1813. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1813, next level of resistance is going to be around 1822, 1833, 1849, 1857 and 1867. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance line from the hourly time frame on the bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1795, 1779 and 1765. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to trend back on the bearish side retracement after test bullish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame. And current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also on a bearish trend as long as it is trading below this resistance line from the hourly time frame. And the current bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame is only a retracement on the bearish side. It is not a trend reversal on the bearish side. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has taken support around the support level of 1802, and we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. It has also broken the resistance level of 1807, and next level of resistance it's going to be around 1810, 1813, 1817 and 1824. And if the price action bounces back from the resistance level of 1807, next level of support on the bearish side is going to be around 1802, 1796, 1788 and 1779. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line from the hourly time frame, we can expect a bearish side retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to take support around the support level of 1796 and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And if the bullish side retracement continues, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1813. And if the price action fails to break this resistance level of 1813, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start. The immediate support is going to be around 1807, 1802, 1799, 1796, 1791, 1784, 1776 and 1766. So wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance level of 1813 if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade in 15 minutes time frame, or wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1813 if you want to freshly enter into the bullish side trade in 15 minutes time frame. Please refer the levels in 30 minutes time frame on the bullish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.